Hello everyone, and welcome to this Power BI solution showcase created by PBL Lab. You can find PBL Lab in the Microsoft Power BI Partner Directory. As a Microsoft Silver partner in data analytics, PBL Lab works with organizations to increase productivity and profitability using Microsoft's cloud-based business intelligence tools like Power BI. Now, let's figure out why we built this solution. The Sales Agent Performance Report shows the sales team performance from 2017 to 2019, comparing actual versus targeted sales, slicing the sales data by representative, and also shows where the sales are generated. Even if the report has 5 report pages, only the main report page is visible, and you can interact with the other 4 via tooltips and read-through capabilities. As you can see, the main report page has 5 different sections: a business card, ranking bookmarks, a cluster and column chart, a table, and a map. All of these sections contain different Power BI functionalities, which can help us explore insights and metrics. The cluster and column chart on the top right of the page showcases expansion of sales. By clicking each year in the bar chart, dynamically changes the map, and we can see the global expansion from North America in 2017, then Europe in 2018, and finally the Pacific region in 2019. We can change the perspective by drilling down one level in the time dimension and analyze the sales by quarter. You can see that now we can explore the data at a different level of granularity. If you want to return at the previous stage, we can click the Drill Up button and the cluster and column chart will switch back at the year trend perspective. A cool feature is that we can activate an agent business card by selecting a sales table row. A business card for the agent selected will appear. The ranking scorecards and the map will dynamically change. Point your mouse over the agent name within the card and a tooltip page will appear showing additional information. Another report tooltip page allows us to explore the sales of the agent in a specific city. If you hover the mouse over a bubble in the map, you can visualize the top 7 sales by resellers for the agent. You can reiterate and use the same functionality by picking another agent and you will see the map dynamically change. You will be able to explore the specific sales by city and resellers for the agent, and the business card will show the agent information. On the top right of the report, we created a filter pane through the usage of bookmarks. This filter pane allows us to select a specific year. If, for example, we select the year 2018, you will see that the full report sales time frame will switch accordingly. We created an enhanced user experience through the usage of bookmarks and actions that enables navigation between different pages. If you click one of the rankings buttons, you'll be redirected to a read-through page called Sales Agent Performance Rankings. In this page, we can evaluate the performance of the sales agents with trendline charts. The agent selected is ranked by performance measured as sales versus target, by sales amount, and by number of sales orders. We can select different agents to visualize how they rank within the team. By clicking the back arrow button, we return at the previous report page. By right-clicking on another sales table row and different agent name, we can activate a drill through to another report page named Sales by Agent Details. In this page, we can analyze the details of the sales order closed by the agent. Every sales order line shows the total margin for the product sold. We can sort the table columns and export the data. After analyzing the sales order details, we can drill through the sales agent rankings page by right-clicking on the agent name. Then, from this page, by clicking the back arrow button, we return at the previous page, and if we go back one step further, we will find ourselves on the main section of our solution. If you want to learn more about PBL Lab, remember to click our logo on the top left and visit our website. This is the end of our Power BI solution showcase. And if you like what you have seen, you can contact us at info@pbllab.com, subscribe at our newsletter, and follow us on social media.